my name is Nur Atika binti Omar, AP21009C. Right now, we will learn about water jet machining. So, what is water jet machining? I think water jet machining is one of the modern machining process which is used to machine different type of workpiece ranging from plastic to metal. As the name suggests, in water jet machining, the force created by water is used to remove material from workpiece or sometimes cut the workpiece in material machinable with water machining. Aluminium, steel, cast iron, concrete, stone, granite, metal alloy, ceramic, plastic, rubber, and glass. Construction or part of water jet machining. Water reservoir. Water is stored in the reservoir for use as a jet. Is hydraulic pump. Hydraulic pump is used to transfer water from the reservoir and supply it pressure is at a pressure of about 5 bar. The hydraulic pump is provided with a pressure guide to measure the pressure of water being passed. Hydraulic intensifier. The water jet intensifier created a high-pressure liquid jet is by increasing water jet pressure. This intensifier is connected to the accumulator. Accumulator. An accumulator is a tank, the stored high-pressure water used for machining. It supplies water wherever there is a pressure drop and more high-pressure water in need. Direction control valve. It's used to control the pressure as well as direction of the water. Same the flow regulation valve. Missing camber or tube. The missing camber is the value where high pressure water is mixed with a abrasive particle. Nozzle. The nozzle is the part of a water jet machining setup that converts the pressure energy of water to kinetic energy. The nozzle is made of rubber or diamond. Drain and crater system. The drain system collects the water after machining and send it back to the reservoir tank. The drain system is connected to a pump which help it the transfer of water to the supply tank. Water from reservoir first enter the hydraulic pump. The hydraulic pump increase the pressure of the water to around 5 bar and send it to the intensifier. The intensifier increase the pressure from 5 bar to 300 to 500 bar and send it to the mixing chamber and accumulator. The accumulator provide the high pressure water supply to the mixing chamber whenever needed. After passing through the intensifier, water need to go through the pressure control valve where pressure is controlled. After passing through, the control valve increase the flow control valve where the flow of water is checked. In this way, high pressure water receives mixing chamber where it meets the abrasive particle. The high pressure water is then converted to high vertically flow of water. The stream of water and abrasive strip the workpiece. Material removal takes place due to the erosion of material from the surface of the workpiece. The wastewater is removed through the drain and is supplied to the reservoir with the help of a pump. The water supply is stopped and the finished product is removed.